여기 슬픔에 빠진 여자가 있습니다. 그녀의 이름은 헤스터.
I really mean it. You're the most attractive girl I've met.
그녀 앞에 운명처럼 나타난 남자 프레디. 사실 그녀는 겉보기에는 완벽해 보이는 삶을 살고 있었지만
I survived the Battle of Britain, old fruit. Old darling.
Oh, darling.
헤스터는 젊고 매력적인 그에게 빠져버립니다. 하지만 이 위험한 관계의 끝에서 헤스터는 결국 극단적인 선택을 하고 맙니다.
Mrs. Elton, please don't say anything to Mr. Page about my...
That's the way you want it.
자유롭고 매력적인 그에게 헤스터는 열정과 설레는 감정을 느끼게 됩니다.
They'll do the navy now.
Can I do it now, sir?
Drinks, gentlemen. The ladies are thirsty. Parched. I love you so much.
Do the right thing. Go back to your husband. Your first loyalty is to him.
Twin beds? Again. How were you conceived then? Willpower?
반면 남편 윌리엄과의 관계는 안정적일 뿐 열정도 따뜻함도 없었습니다.
Will you be going to Wimbledon this year, Mother?
Since your father's death, I've not been able to enjoy tennis. Do you play?
I occasionally play a hand at canasta.
I meant a sport.
헤스터는 보수적인 시어머니와 남편 사이에서 답답함을 느낍니다.
Sport is one of the more pointless of human activities.
That was almost offensive.
Occasionally. I just find it very hard to be passionate about it.
Beware of passion, Hester. It always leads to something ugly.
What would you replace it with?
A guarded enthusiasm.
Oh, the garden really is glorious.
So much safer than people. Ah, tea. Hester will pour, won't you, dear?
If you wish.
I'm hoping we'll be leaving for London soon. Darling.
And who else do you call darling?
결국 프레디와의 관계를 즐기게 된 헤스터.
I assume this means what I think it means.
William.
How long has this been going on?
For some months.
I'll meet you at the car after I've said goodbye to Mother. Do you realise what you're doing? It's just a sordid little affair.
No, it's not. I love him.
I won't consent to a divorce.
Bill.
I intend to make it as difficult as possible for you.
Oh, you sound exactly like my father.
What do you mean?
That tone of voice. Oh, it's hard enough when it comes from a vicar, but when it comes from you, it's insufferable. I'm sorry, William. I didn't mean for that to sound as spiteful as it did.
Was it so hard to stay and continue?
It is. Shall I come into dinner with you?
In the circumstances, I think not. I never want to see you again.
윌리엄은 끝내 헤스터를 떠나게 됩니다.
Second floor front. Bit of a hike.
모든 걸 잃은 헤스터는 프레디와 함께 동거를 시작하게 됩니다.
You'll make it look cozy in no time.
그러나 현실은 결코 달콤하지 않았습니다.
How's tricks, Hes?
Did you have a good weekend?
Won both my matches. Took a fiver off Jackie. Do you know you've not looked at me since I came in?
프레디는 윌리엄과 달리 책임감이 전혀 없는 철부지였고
Oh, God. Many happy returns.
중요한 날조차 잊어버리는 무책임한 남자였습니다.
You still love me?
Yes.
Oh, Freddie, give that to me.
It's addressed to me.
하지만 결국 그녀가 남긴 유서를 발견한 프레디는 그대로 헤스터를 떠나버렸고
William.
뒤이어 헤스터를 찾아온 건 다름 아닌 윌리엄이었습니다.
I'm flattered you came.
Has he deserted you?
No. He just got back from Sonningdale.
Is he being unfaithful to you?
No.
He still loves you?
As much as he did 10 months ago.
And you still love him?
Yes, William, I still love him.
Is it money?
Sit down, Bill. Are you still angry?
At Paige?
At both of us?
Yes. He betrayed my friendship, you betrayed my trust. But anger fades and is replaced by regret. At least I found you again.
Did you look very hard?
No. You said just now that his feelings for you hadn't changed.
They haven't. But 0 minus 0 is still 0.
How long have you known this?
From the beginning.
But how in the name of reason can you go on loving a man who can give you nothing?
Oh, but he does give me something. From himself.
If we'd been able to have a child, would it have made any difference?
To whom?
Oh. Many happy returns of yesterday.
Thank you.
그가 떠난 뒤 결국 헤스터는 다시 프레디를 찾아갑니다.
Just because I forgot her bloody birthday! I know that I'm going to die! If all the men who forgot their wives' birthdays were to come home to suicide notes... You've always said that I don't really love you in the way that you love me. That's not my fault! Have you got a shilling? What? Have you got a shilling? For the gas meter.
Would you come home with me, please? I swear I won't try to make you stay. I won't even talk if you don't want me to.
그런 그에게 끝까지 매달릴 수밖에 없는 헤스터.
Will you get my wash things from the flat for me? Just forgive me.
그럼에도 불구하고 헤스터는 여전히 그를 사랑했습니다.
Just remember till you're home again.
Have Freddie and Jackie got back yet?
Yes, they're here.
Yes?
Darling, it's Hester. Don't ring off. I only wanted to know about the job, that's all.
So I've got to get weaving.
하지만 변덕스럽게도 프레디는 곧 새로운 일자리를 구해 떠나겠다고 말합니다.
This is a surprise.
Out of the chill. Where is he?
Drinking.
What's happened to you, Hester?
Love, Bill.
It's sober truth, Hester, isn't it lust?
Freddie is the whole of life. And death.
한편 윌리엄은 여전히 그녀를 지켜주려 하지만
His life stopped in 1940. He loved 1940. He's never been really happy since the war. I knew then, in that tiny moment, that I had no power to resist him.
Ah! The noble judge.
오늘 소개해드린 작품은 더 딥 블루시 2011년작입니다. 이 영화는 영국의 거장 테렌스 데이비스 감독이 연극계의 고전 테렌스 라티건의 희곡을 영화로 옮긴 작품입니다. 배경은 1950년대 런던 2차 세계대전의 그림자가 여전히 남아있던 시대입니다. 더 딥 블루시는 격정적인 사랑이 얼마나 아름답고 동시에 얼마나 파괴적인지를 보여주는 작품입니다. 사랑이 우리를 구원하기도 하지만 때로는 가장 깊은 심연으로 끌어내린다는 사실을 담담하게 드러내죠. 그래서 이 영화는 단순히 한 여성의 멜로드라마가 아니라 사랑이라는 감정이 인간을 어디까지 몰아붙일 수 있는가에 대한 묵직한 질문을 던집니다. 이 작품은 베를린 국제영화제 경쟁 부분에 초청되며 큰 화제를 모았고 레이첼 와이즈는 이 영화로 여러 시상식에서 여우주연상 후보에 오르며 다시 한번 자신의 연기력을 입증했습니다. 혹시 이 영화를 아직 보지 않으셨다면 단순한 멜로 이상의 깊이를 경험할 수 있는 기회가 될 것입니다. 사랑에 모든 걸 걸어본 적이 있는 분이라면 이 영화가 주는 울림은 결코 가볍지 않을 것입니다. 오늘 리뷰가 마음에 드셨다면 구독과 좋아요 그리고 알림 설정까지 부탁드립니다. 앞으로도 더 깊이 있는 영화 이야기로 찾아뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다.